Han. Remember we went to Peoria? We went to the freeway. So this one, it's on the other side of the freeway.
Yep. Lumber. I used to haul lumber.
You did?
Sure did. Lynn Forest.
In Iowa? California.
California. All do. They built these homes, modular homes and stuff. They delivered the wood to those factories.
It's nice to get out the house, huh?
Yes, it is. We've been stranded in the house.
I know.
Oh, I'd say since 1908. I'm going to get out of this fast lane because I'm a slow kind of a guy. I want the man with a slow hand. Don't come and go with an easy rush. Gonna use my fingers, gonna use my imagination.
We're going to Ikea. Yeah, they have a lot of Walgreens. I think this is still Chandler, huh? I think this is still Chandler. What is that there? Pharmacy?
Do what?
That one?
Brand new, whatever it is.
Oakwood Country Club. Miles and 158. Careful, Han, there's a red car ahead of you.
My God, this is a... Okay.
There's the Ikea.
I think the main entrance is where? Here?
Somewhere down there.
Slight left, then your destination will be on the right.
And then the books. Looks like a library, you know. And then the color. Nice. I want this rolling pin for baking.
Okay.
I got one. You want one of that, Auntie?
I thought you did.
Huh?
I thought you wanted.
No, it's up to you.
No, it's up to you.
I have a lot.
Kitchen. We don't need it. Do it.
No, what is this here?
Syrup or butter or whatever you want.
Ito guys. Sa Ikea. Ito. Maganda dito. $5.99. Ang cute nito guys, oh. Ang liit. $15, $14.99. Ayan. Ang liit. Here's the one I want, Han. Oh, this is expensive, guys. This is the one I like. 360 hit. I'm looking for the price. This is the one I wanna buy, Han. Like that, the other one, there's stainless steel rubber, but it's expensive. $7.99.
How much are these?
This one, that's what I'm looking. The prices. Do you have 5 3 pack. This one, $3.99. I'll get one, hun. $2.99. No, I have some in the boxes I did not open yet. And that is for... Oh my God, that's a lot in here. Yeah. This is for the apple, hun. Ang dami. Ito naman. $5.99. Sus, ang daming mabili. Maliliit. Meron na rin ako nito. Something to sharp the knife.
Huh?
Is that good or not?
It could be, Mom. Yeah, you can try. How much is it?
$4.99.
Gotta be cheap. You just slide it in there.
You think it works? We'll
I
try?
think so. I think
Okay, we'll try.
I'm looking for some that's up cheap.
Put your cheese.
Yeah.
Oh. There's some. What is this here? Silicone rubber, and there's another one. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Hello, guys. Ito yung nabili ko sa Ikea. Ito, placemat. I hope you like it, guys. Thank you for watching.